We keep our in-home display just above the coat closet.
Yeah.
Is it orange? Oh, you know, it's probably orange because of all these lights. So I can see it now.
It used to be more visible, but then you would spend the night and the evening just staring at it. What's it on? What's it on? What's it on? So we need to put it away.
It's a bit higher up now. I didn't really have an opinion on smart meters before we had one. My friends had recommended smart meters to me, saying it's a really good way of staying in control and just being aware of the energy you're using, the money you're spending on your energy. I see everything on the in-home display, everything, so the heating, the gas that's being used, the electricity. It's separated, so you can just look at the gas, or you can just look at the electricity, or you can look at the figures combined as well, which is really useful. I'm using the kettle way less than I used to use it. So that's been a big change as well. And it's just a habit. It's just a habit that you get into. I'm not missing out on hot water, I'm just using it differently.
With the consistency of the payments, we know then we have a bit of a margin when it comes to winter months.
Yeah, people talk about, I got like a £400 bill. That really scares me, but we haven't had to experience that because we know before what the bill's going to be.
What makes you go,
The smart meter helps us be in control of the energy we're using, how much money we're spending, and it just it's one less thing to worry about in terms of change with life.